Hello everyone, and today's video I'll be showing you how to get started with Adobe Premiere. So the first thing that you will need to do is open up your Adobe Premiere and you should see something like this. Here you'll be able to see different options. In the recent section you're able to see some of your most recent projects that you have worked on before. But let's just get started with creating a new project. Here you'll be able to see some of the different formatting options and rendering options. You'll also be able to change the name of your project and the location which it will be stored in. I'll change the name of my project to Tutorial. And I'll just leave the location which it is in right now. The next thing you need to do is press OK. After you have done that, you should be able to see something like this. On the top here, you'll be able to see some of the different layout presets which you can use. I would recommend you to first start with using the editing preset. Once you have selected that, you should see something like this. This is where you will drop the media to create a sequence. This is where you will be able to import the media. So the first way to import files is to click File and select Import. After that, you would select your footage and open it. Now you can see them in your import section. In order to create a sequence, drag the video to the timeline. After that, a sequence will be created. You can do the same with the other video and place it somewhere where you want it to be.